What is good, YouTube? Checking in with you guys. I just want to show you guys how to remove the tweeter speakers from the Honda Odyssey. This is my Odyssey here. It's a 2011. I believe all the way up until the year 2016 or 2015 this should work for, but it's super easy. I just wanted to show you guys how to remove the tweeter covers up here up top, because when you look, they look like they're attached, but really they're not. And I'm installing some new tweeters. The video directly after this one will be me actually installing the tweeters, so if you want information on that, check it out. But anyway, let's dive in and I'll show you how I remove this, because they're super easy. All right, so typically how to remove these is you would want a little plastic piece like this here, but this one unfortunately is a little big. You can see right here there's a little gap, and that actually comes with it. And if this doesn't fit, then what we'll do is we'll use a flathead screwdriver. So give me just a second. Let's see if I can zoom in there and get under there. See, it's not going to get in there, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do is let's take a flathead screwdriver, as you can see here. Pop this down into the hole. And look. Stick it down in there, and now just turn it. See how we just propped one side up? And then I'll continue it with the rest of the plastic here. See? Now boom. There you go. There's your tweeter. Now, the next thing that I would recommend doing is I have an adapter wire that'll plug into here so that you can hook up another tweeter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug this. See if I can get my phone to stay right there. All you do is press down on this right here, right where my nail is, and then pull it straight out. It's a little difficult to do one-handed, but now boom. See, now your tweeter is unplugged.